Posture.
We're a furniture manufacturing company.
And today we're going to talk to you about our business and what we aim to do.
We conducted a test to understand our business position and the market growth or decline for businesses in our specific field. We considered different aspects that may affect us, which led us to considering our strengths and weaknesses. As a start-up business, some strengths will be that as a new company, we'll have a clean slate on which to build our image, and we aren't in the public eye, so we'll have opportunities to make mistakes and changes as we find processes that work without a lot of scrutiny from the public. Bringing a new approach to the business processes and taking risks won't have too many consequences if they don't work, as we're not going to be in the public eye. On the flip side, it will be hard for us to gain trust from future investors, clients and customers, as we've not yet proven ourselves to be successful and capable of sustaining ourselves within the market. We won't have a lot of money compared to other businesses, which will result in limited resources. Some opportunities as a new business will be that there's a market for office furniture, and with our affordable prices we're going to attract customers looking for a quality and affordable product. We'll also be able to try out online advertising, new pricing structures and explore how cheaply we can make the product whilst producing it at a quality value for money. Some threats that we'll face are the competitors in the market and current fitness trends which encourage standing desks. To ensure that we have a successful company, we consider our stakeholders. Our key stakeholders will be the suppliers who we'll rely on to get materials that we need to make and sell the products. Other key stakeholders will be the manufacturer and customers in order to manufacture and sell the product too. Our primary stakeholders will be designers and users. Designers will be important to the company as the aesthetic of the chair will largely affect its appeal to the users, who will be providing feedback and confirming the product meets expectations. Secondary stakeholders will include employees, who are the connection to the customers for our business, and the courier service, who we will rely on to deliver the product safely and on time.
As a company, Posture aims to provide quality value for money products with an efficient time manner. Our manufacture will focus on volume rather than variety. The proposed chair is a simple design with little to no variations, allowing the company to manufacture the chair in large quantities more efficiently. The design includes a limited selection of fabrics to minimise waste and allow the company costs to be lowered. The fabrics on the chairs will be applied during the assembly stage of manufacturing to avoid any mismatching. The company adopts a just-in-time production system. This ensures our assets are not tied into storage and security and focuses on other aspects of the business such as marketing and promotions. Mass production is the chosen process type for the business, as our design is so simple and we aim to produce a high volume of chairs with a low variety of colours and styles. Mass processing can manage large repeated work very easily and quickly for us. This is ideal for our company as we're outsourcing all our standardised components and allows the company to maintain an ideal cost-effective budget. The most appropriate layout for our company's manufacturing operation would be a product layout. This is due to the low unit costs and the high volume of product which will be allowed to be produced through this layout. This will lessen our cost of mass manufacturing. Although the product layout can have low flexibility and disruptions could cause a halt within the production line, work may become repetitive for the workers, but unfortunately it is the most efficient way to manufacture the office chairs in terms of cost and time. Although this layout will provide a lot of opportunities for specialised equipment, this will allow us to increase our efficiency in our manufacturing. The business operates a method study process, clearly identifying how individuals will carry out each task that has been assigned towards them. This will ensure a higher rate of efficiency within the business. To ensure our business runs as smoothly and as cost-effective as possible, the group have chosen to adopt a product-based structure. The structure allows for easier communication between team members and allows for better coordination of the team. The hierarchy that is adopted allows for a better skill set and broader knowledge for the team in the desired departments. Members contribute within projects and sales efficiently and easier throughout this structure. The hierarchy allows the business to clearly assign costs and roles within the departments.
At Posture, we have many goals for our product, and the following are what we think are the most important. The manufacturing of our product is very important and should be reviewed regularly to ensure it is as efficient as possible. As outsourcing products can be a risk, we would consider doing this only if it is financially beneficial. Before outsourcing our products, we would have to be certain that we have a good understanding of the manufacturing process used by the company, as well as the quality control procedures that they have in place. If we decide to manufacture the products ourselves, the process must be as efficient as possible, and we would implement a manufacturing management system to do this.
To maintain a cost advantage over our rival companies, we will have lower prices than our competitors while maintaining high quality products and a more stylish aesthetic.
We are aiming to prioritise customer care and efficiency. We think that as an online-based company, it is essential to gain trust with potential clients through quality customer service.
Staff will need to be able to communicate with customers in a professional and efficient manner in order to maintain customer relations.
We will have the chair to have a simple aesthetic, as we want it to be quite cheap to ensure companies would like to buy it from us. This combination of product quality will help ensure customer satisfaction and a high quality product.
One product from each batch we produce will be tested rigorously to ensure it can hold people safely without breaking. This will ensure our product has good functional performance. We plan to go by the ISO 9000 series of standards to increase efficiency and improve the quality of our product.
We want to assess the strength, durability, reliability and serviceability. We could do some market research and see how people react and can improve depending on the feedback, and we can repeat market research until we are happy with the product.
As we're going to be an online company, it will be essential that our customer service is excellent, as no face-to-face interactions will occur, so the reputation of the company will be harder to uphold. This means that any inquiries must be answered as quickly as possible, deliveries must be received when expected, over-the-phone customer service must be available at usual working hours, and all transactions and communications should be pleasant and polite. Acceptable quality to us means that our product meets the consumer's functional expectations and delivery expectations. Quality to us also means that our furniture provides an experience for the customer that's above the required standards.
Our target market will be office workers looking to buy office chairs. They can be located anywhere in the UK, as the products will be purchased online. There are many competitors for office chairs, including large and well-known businesses such as IKEA. To overcome the number of competitors, we will need to come up with a creative and innovative business strategy and marketing plan, which will give our newer business a better chance when competing.
Current trends will change often and could change the business sales for better or for worse. For example, fitness trends encourage standing and treadmill desks, which will decrease our sales. However, the increase in posture awareness and how it affects health could create an opening to design a product to promote good posture. Exchange rates could also have a negative effect on profits if not properly researched and organised.
For our supply chain, our main aim is to bring product parts together as quick as possible using as little waste as possible. Our goals for our supply chain are sourcing at least one part of fabric in Scotland for our company, as we feel this will enhance our heritage and reduce costs. Another goal is to negotiate deals with foreign manufacturers to get the best value for money. And another aim is to have the lowest environmental impact in the workplace to ensure our company is doing its best for the environment. For our company, we will be outsourcing some of our materials. We will be outsourcing of the plastic materials and metal materials. Although there is a risk that a supplier may not always meet personal standards, we believe that it will ensure the highest quality and reduce labour costs. Transport, we will be transporting goods from overseas, and to do this we're going to choose ship cargo. We believe that it will allow us to carry large bulks of material to our assembly warehouse in Glasgow, and this choice is also due to the low emissions that ships and the low environmental impact and low cost of shipping. Transporting material from the ship will involve private hired trucks, and last but not least, for transporting the final product to customers, we have chosen to use external courier services in order to provide exceptional delivery times. To ensure we have a sustainable supply chain, the whole process is going to need to be evaluated. Our raw materials are going to be sourced from local to the manufacturer. Our products will use a combination of recyclable materials. We'll also try to use automated processes that minimise the waste produced and ensure constant sustainable policies with the manufacturer. Also, our employees will try and be trained to ensure that they use as little waste as possible within the workplace.
Hope you enjoyed.
Thanks for watching.